Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to edge granite slabs. This was a granite which was thrown in my backyard, which we are making use of on our glass teepot. Our glass teepot broke last week, so we are replacing it with granite stone. The edges are all very sharp, so we have to shape it so that the sharp edges are become blunt. Otherwise, it will hurt you. Come, let's go and see how to do that. So you have to lock this. Now this is a wall cutting blade. So just place this properly. So take the lock. Be careful while handling this on a sharp edge. So after finish, you can see so this was a granite which we cut and removed from the kitchen countertop to fit the wash basin. Now this we have used in our teapot. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to press my bell button next to the subscription button to get my regular updates. Thank you. Bye-bye.